Looking for a fun and festive addition to your Christmas celebration? Consider joyful Jello Shots. These vibrant, bite-sized treats are not only delicious, but are also a hit at parties, giving your celebration a unique and tasty twist. Get ready to bring a splash of color and a burst of flavor to your Christmas party. To whip up these festive delights, you will need a few ingredients. First, flavored gelatin. It's the star of the show. Next, some water to dissolve our gelatin. And lastly, your choice of liquor to add that merry kick. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to get mixing. Making joyful Jello Shots is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, bring a cup of water to a gentle boil. Once your water is bubbling away, it's time to add your gelatin. We're using unflavored gelatin here, but feel free to experiment with different flavors to match your celebration's theme. Take your time, stirring gently until the gelatin completely dissolves into the hot water. Now comes the fun part, adding the liquor. Choose your favorite, or mix and match for a fun twist. Once your liquor is mixed in, it's time to pour the mixture into shot glasses or festive molds. Carefully fill each one, leaving a little room at the top. Finally, it's time for patience. Pop your filled glasses or molds into the refrigerator. Let them chill until they're fully set, which should take about 2 to 3 hours. And there you have it, your joyful Jello Shots are ready to serve. These joyful Jello Shots are sure to bring a smile to your guests' faces. With their ease of creation and fun presentation, they're the perfect addition to any holiday celebration. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. You can tailor it to suit your taste buds or adapt it for those with dietary restrictions. So why not give it a whirl? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and festive recipes. Happy holidays!